Okay, so this is just going to be a quick tutorial showing you guys how to do the leg or another component. Hopefully you have modeled a little bit better than I had modeled, because this doesn't have the hands, so this will go through it a lot quicker. So we have the leg. I've exported that as a SAT file. I have each one of these different conditions, and I've exported those all together as one DXF file. Swing over to Revit. I've opened a new generic family, so I'm going to go ahead and import CAD. SAT file. So we'll go for the right leg. That. And if we go into 3D view, see our leg. Gotta hit action there. Alright, and then we're going to make sure we have our object style set up properly. Let's rename this. So let's go. Alright, solid. Okay. Apply, okay. And then we're going to insert import CAD. Find our DXFs. Some right leg movement. Okay. And for whatever reason, I've noticed that this doesn't really import in the same position here. So I'm just going to MV. Select this, MV to move. It's not super precise, but that's close enough. We'll go back into our 3D view. Alright, so we can start to position this. So now we need to go ahead and edit our object styles. Oop, not our object snaps. So, and I'm gonna rename this arm so that it'll automatically detect the settings in the other document. So what we'll then be able to do is if we just hit apply to that, hit OK, load this into the project, and hit OK with that as well. Let's go into probably need to drop that family somewhere. So architecture component, if you didn't place the family already. And then let's go into our new 3D view that we generated. Control, hide elements in view. And because we've already set this up, the robot Axon, I'll just use the one that I set up before, hit apply. And because I reused all the names, it'll automatically maintain all of that content from the previous document. So now I can right-click, rename, let's call this leg movement. And if we go on to the movement Axon's drawing, take this and just dump that in. I'll just position that. I'll grab this and drop it in place. Alright. And so that way we can start to set this up, and each one of these is already at the same scale, so these are, you can start to see some of the equivalency. And that's going to be exactly how you guys are going to set these things up, so you can just sort of streamline this. And you can see the silhouetting is working kind of okay here. It doesn't look like it's doing all that great a job for this particular drawing. But that's it.